We guide you through how to find your PayPal account number step by step. First thing you need to know is that PayPal doesn't have a traditional account number like a bank, but you can use your email address or PayPal ID for most transactions. To find your details, log into your PayPal account using the app or website, then go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. From there, open the Account or Profile section where you'll see your registered email address, which acts as your PayPal account identifier. If you need bank related details for withdrawals, go to Wallet, select your linked bank account, and view the account information connected to PayPal. For business accounts, you may also find a merchant ID under account settings, which some platforms use instead of an account number. Once you locate the correct details, you can safely use them for receiving payments like linking services or verifying your PayPal account when needed.